Hey, my youth, you know what you watch? Dance Skiller. Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skiller. You are watching Dance Skiller Entertainment. Hey, yo, Skiller.
Sorry, what's the way there? No, sir. See it? Rascal crash this gate. See the bus? Yeah, the bus me there. Yeah, no.
Joking accident that night.
Go sickly. Watch out. No, sir. Watch out, man. No, sir. This mash up. Him dead. Driver dead. Almost dead.
Bun up clot, man. Yo, I gotta tell you something, you see? Them a vehicle nowadays and a vehicle like one time. You see me? A paper make them. You see? Trust me, a paper make them. You know, people right now get up and say, yo, the man need a speed or whatever. Yes, we might agree, might be speeding somewhat. Maybe, you know me, I say maybe my speed somewhat. But on a real note, you know, paper make them. Now, me now say me give this man, where the driver, any right, because really and truly, we don't really understand the full extent of what really go on. But my advice to all you my viewers and everyone out there in the world, you know, take your time on the road, because these vehicles are not built to protect anymore. That's my view. These vehicles seems like they make out a form of thing that it look like it's metal, but trust me, it is not metal. You see it? Them a vehicle are not protecting. So please, take on the time, alright? Trust me, alright? Anyways, if you're new to my channel, you don't know you have to click the subscribe button. Big up to my viewers them, you know what I say? Yeah, Gaza Strip, big up yourself, and many more. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I will always be here. Yeah, I'll always be here making things happen, you know? Bringing to you, my viewers, what's going on, alright? Anyways, you don't know who me be already. My name is Skiller, and that was Dance Skiller Entertainment. Bun up clot. See it. Hey, my youth, you know what you watch? Dance Skiller. Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skiller. You are watching Dance Skiller Entertainment.